Hey, thanks for stopping by the channel. I'm John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire. On today's menu, Big Mac tacos. Stick around, let's get it. All right, it's a rainy day in Alabama, so we decided to do something inside. So we're gonna get on this griddle. I'm gonna start by first getting my ground beef down. We are going to season it with Uncle Steve's Competition Cow Shake, and we'll get that going. All right, so while this is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and make our Big Mac sauce. All right, for our Big Mac sauce, we are gonna add a cup of mayo, a quarter cup of ketchup, a quarter cup of relish, a teaspoon of yellow mustard, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, and a teaspoon of vinegar. We'll mix this up and I'll move back over to the griddle. All right, and once our beef is close to being brown, we'll just add a little bit of sharp cheddar and melt that in with the beef. All right, for the taco shell, we will just grab the sesame seed side of a bun and use a roller, and we'll flatten it out. Let's give it a good roll. Flip it over on both sides here. There's one. Roll this one out as well. Flip it on the other side here. There we go. All right, now let's put these tacos together. First, we're gonna go down with a little bit of iceberg lettuce in each of these. Gonna add some cheese to both. Gonna come back with our meat here. Our Big Mac sauce. And we will add a pickle to each. All right, everybody, so here is our finished product, the Big Mac taco. Let's give this thing a taste. All right, guys, I thank you for stopping by the channel. This was a fun little cook. Maybe McDonald's should put this on the menu for kids. I'm sure they would love a taco made out of Big Mac. Hey, it was a fun cook. Again, thank you for stopping by. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Please leave this video a like, leave me a comment, and until next time, we'll see you guys.